Hi, I'm glad you made it here. This page will tell you what documentation you will need to apply for your home mortgage. I'm Cal Carlson, president of ProStaff Mortgage. I would like to tell you a few of the really important things you need to know while you're applying for a loan. The first thing you need to know is that timing is everything. When applying for a loan, everything starts with your credit report. Your credit report is a snapshot in time, and you need to understand it is not real time. It all depends when each creditor reports on your credit report. They may even be a month behind. Therefore, something you may have paid off last week or 2 or 3 weeks ago could still be showing on your report. This can work for or against you depending on what it is. Whatever the situation, you can rest assured we can help you get through it. You should be sure to manage your credit to be at its best when you need it. Of course, missing payments or being 30 or more days late on your bills will affect your credit negatively the fastest. However, it is highly recommended to not have your credit report pulled for any revolving credit like a credit card. Since you shouldn't have your credit pulled for your revolving credit, it should go without saying that you will lower your score even more if you open a new credit card. It can take a good number of months of positive proven track record on this new account before your scores may return to where they were. Your balance to high credit limit on your revolving accounts is another thing to be aware of. The lower this ratio is, the better. You can watch credit tip number 3 under the Credit Education tab here at ProStaffMortgage.com for more helpful information regarding your balance to high credit limit credit scoring factor. We can discuss any further credit items that may be unique to your situation when we talk. It is important to note that if your debt-to-income ratio is close to the limit allowed to qualify, you definitely do not want to add to your current credit balance by charging more to your credit card or taking out any new loans. Underwriting can look at your current monthly debts all the way up to your closing. The next big point you need to be aware of is the documentation of your funds. This is the assets in your account. Since we need to disclose all debts when applying for a loan, underwriting for all types of conventional and government loans will look at your assets for large deposits within the last 2 statement cycles. Deposits made prior to that are usually considered seasoned funds. They will normally not be looked at for underwriting unless extenuating circumstances require it. Underwriting is just looking for any possible undisclosed debt. Therefore, if you have any larger deposits within the last 2 statement cycles, you will need to paper trail these deposits. This means that you will need to copy the check and a copy of the deposit receipt from the bank. You will also need a copy of your statement showing this balance updated in your account. The bank or other asset statements that we need are the ones that you would normally get in the mail with your full name and full account number on them. If you have an online access to your account, you can usually get these from your account in a PDF document. If we need a mid-cycle statement, we can usually use the internet account printout with the transaction to date that go back to your most recent full account statement. These are the major points that you need to be aware of right from the beginning. Anything that could affect your financial situation will most likely be looked at by underwriting. If you are not sure about a situation, you should call me and discuss it to prevent a frustrating situation for your loan qualification. If you have any special circumstances in your recent past, like a divorce or a bankruptcy, you will need to have your divorce decree or bankruptcy discharge documentation. Please see the checklist of items down below this video and include any other documentation that applies to you. If you are a veteran and want to use your VA eligibility, please don't forget to include your DD-214 and any other documentation that we may need. Please let us know if you have any level of disability status with the VA. You may be eligible to be exempt from paying the VA funding fee. I'm looking forward to working with you and helping you navigate through the loan approval process as stress-free as possible. I'm a certified mortgage consultant and certified residential mortgage specialist, and I'm working for you, so you can rest assured my team and I have the experience to make it happen. You are in the right place at the right time because ProStaff Mortgage is where the professionals are.